well known because of the energy and their strength. Tonight, the Warriors of Fiji share with us to make a West, better known as the Fiji Spear Dance. Fiji! Sing the Fiji. How about the round of applause for our Warriors of Fiji? We're going to take a break from our journey. This time we want to find out how many friends are celebrating their birthdays. We have any birthday friends here tonight? Please rise. Please stand up. All the birthday friends remain standing. We'd like to dedicate this song to you. Manuel of Savannah, Manuel of Savannah, Manuel of Savannah. You told us in the Savannah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to all of you. Everybody, please sing together. Happy birthday to you. Let's give a round of applause for our birthday friends. Mahalo for celebrating your birthday with us tonight. You may be seated. Honeymooners, are you here? If we have any honeymoon couples, we'd like to invite you to the stage, please. We do have something that we want to give to you. Just our way to say thank you for sharing your honeymoon celebration. Please come and join us on the stage. I do know that most of the honeymooners don't come here. They go somewhere else. They just want to be alone. But instead, we do have some lovely honeymooners with us. How about a round of applause for all these honeymoon couples? Oh, this is sweet. This makes me want to get married. Congratulations to you guys. May I ask how many days you guys have been married?
5.
Yeah, I don't know, I wasn't there, but thank you. 5 days. Congratulations. Thank you for being here. How many days for you?
4 years.
4 years. How are you feeling? You're feeling good. I'm proud of you. Thank you. How many days for you, dear? 4.5 years. Thank you very much. This is lovely. How many days for you, honey? 4 days. how many nights. Thank you. Please stay, don't leave. We have something that's coming for all of you. How about another round of applause for the honeymooners, ladies and gentlemen? While we're waiting, I'd like to find out, do we have any anniversary? Any anniversary? If you're celebrating your anniversary, may we have you in front of the stage. Come and join us. The only reason why we're doing this is because this is what it's all about. It's all about loving, it's all about caring, it's all about sharing with each other. So there's nothing to be bashful or shy about. We just got to celebrate life and love together. Please come in the front here. If we have anyone here that's been married 50 or more years, may we have the honor of your presence on the stage. You earn it. You deserve to be celebrating this evening. So come and join me on the stage. If you've been married 50 or more years, please come here right on the stage next to me.